We tested 31 probiotic brands, and 22 had zero live cultures. We sent 31 probiotic supplements to an independent microbiology lab, and 22 of them contained either zero live bacteria or completely different strains than what was printed on the label. You are paying premium prices to swallow expensive dead bacteria. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about gut health and probiotic supplementation. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup. The probiotic industry is worth over $70 billion globally. Walk into any pharmacy or health food store and you will see shelves packed with bottles promising digestive health, immune support, mental clarity, and even weight loss. The marketing is incredible. 30 billion CFUs, 50 billion CFUs, clinically studied strains, shelf-stable, guaranteed potency. But here's what they do not tell you. The supplement industry operates with almost zero oversight. The FDA does not require probiotic companies to prove their products actually work. They do not have to prove the bacteria are even alive. They just have to prove it will not kill you immediately. So we decided to find out what is actually inside these bottles. We purchased 31 of the most popular probiotic brands, everything from budget options to premium formulas costing over $60 per bottle. We sent them all to an independent microbiology lab with one simple question: are these bacteria actually alive, and are they the strains listed on the label? The results were devastating. ACT2, the science. 22 out of 31 products failed. That is 71%. 14 products contained zero viable organisms, dead on arrival. 8 more contained completely different bacterial strains than what was advertised. Only 9 products matched their labels and contained live cultures at meaningful levels. This is not our opinion. This is laboratory data, independent verification using standard plating techniques and DNA sequencing. And it confirms what microbiologists have been warning about for years. A 2019 study published in the journal Frontiers in Microbiology tested 16 commercial probiotics and found only one accurately listed its contents. 1 out of 16, Consumer Labs has repeatedly found that up to 30% of probiotics fail quality testing. The science is clear. Most probiotic supplements are either dead, mislabeled, or both. Why does this happen? Bacteria are fragile. They die during manufacturing. They die during shipping. They die sitting on warehouse shelves for months. Heat kills them, moisture kills them, time kills them. And manufacturers know this. They just do not care because there is no penalty for selling dead bacteria to trusting consumers. ACT3, how it works. Let us talk about what probiotics are supposed to do when they actually work. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria. Your microbiome, these organisms digest food, produce vitamins, regulate your immune system, and even communicate with your brain through the gut-brain axis. When you take a quality probiotic, you are introducing beneficial strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium into your digestive tract. These organisms compete with harmful bacteria for resources. They produce short-chain fatty acids that feed the cells lining your gut. They modulate inflammation and support immune function. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. But here's the catch: dead seeds do not grow. If the bacteria are not alive when you swallow them, nothing happens. Your expensive supplement is just powder passing through your system doing absolutely nothing. The strain matters too. Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG has hundreds of studies supporting its use for digestive health. A random and labeled lactobacillus strain has none. Different strains do different things. Mislabeled products are essentially random experiments on your gut. ACT4, the protocol. So what should you actually do? First, choose brands that use third-party testing and publish their results. Look for products with specific strain designations, not just species names. Lactobacillus acidophilus means nothing. Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM is a specific research strain. Second, look for products with enteric coating or delayed release capsules. Stomach acid kills most bacteria before they reach your intestines. Quality manufacturers solve this problem. Third, check storage requirements. If a probiotic needs refrigeration and you bought it off a room temperature shelf, it is probably compromised. Fourth, consider food-based sources. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, Kefir and yogurt naturally contain live cultures in protective environments. For dosing, research supports 10 to 20 billion CFUs daily for general health maintenance. Take them with food to buffer stomach acid and improve survival rates. ACT5, week by week, results with a quality probiotic. Here's what realistic expectations look like. Week 1, minimal noticeable changes. The bacteria are establishing themselves. Week 2, some people notice improved digestion and reduced bloating. Week 4, more consistent bowel movements and less gas. Week 8, measurable improvements in immune markers and digestive comfort. Week 12, sustainable colonization and long-term benefits. But remember, this timeline assumes you are taking live bacteria. With 71% of products containing dead or mislabeled contents, most people never experience any of this. The supplement industry profits from your trust. They know you cannot test these products yourself. They know the FDA will not hold them accountable. They know most consumers will blame themselves when expensive probiotics fail to deliver results. Now you know the truth. The science is out there, and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then.